Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, got a lot of hot to talk about in this forecast, and not just for today, but I think building heading to the upcoming weekend. We're starting to remove more of those rain chances. That means we're going to have long duration hot, and we're going to mix in the humid. Going to get real hot over these next couple of days. It was real hot. Yesterday we hit 99, did not tie a record. Record was 100 yesterday. We'll see how hot it gets today. I think it's easy going to be in the mid 90s for lots of hours, probably in the upper 90s again. And then overnight tonight into tomorrow, like this morning, we're going to see a lot of temperatures that stay way up in the 70s. It was nice to see at least a couple of showers get fired up. Of course, a lot of those showers waited till 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock to get going, and that meant lots of hours of really hot. And I think with the limited showers, same kind of situation presenting itself again today. That tropical moisture finally giving parts of Central and South Florida a break, but there's still some moving into the Atlantic. We'll see where it goes from there. 78 this morning in Tallahassee. We're at 73 for Thomasville and for Valdosta. Everybody with dew points right around 70, so it's certainly sticky enough outside. We'll take a look at a few more temperatures. Going to see a lot of 73s and up. As a matter of fact, only Blakely at 68 or Homerville and Tifton at 72 are below 73 this morning, so lots of warmth to get us started. If there's a breeze, that breeze is going to have more of a northeast or an east fetch to it today. I don't think it's going to be breezy or anything like that, but so far we're stirring things up so we don't have too much fog. Visibility numbers are all around 10 miles. Here's that satellite radar composite. Goes back 6 hours. We'll see around midnight we had a couple of showers in a few spots. By 2 o'clock this morning, most of those around Bainbridge were gone. And now I think we're going to have to wait until later this afternoon for the sea breeze to fire up and hopefully find a few areas lucky enough to get some showers to help calm some of that heat down. High pressure to the north finally starting to win this battle between the moisture to the south and some of that drier air. Now, as this big bubble of high pressure hangs in there for the next several days and our winds eventually start to shift a little bit more from the south, we're not only going to have the hot around, but we're going to really increase the humidity, which started to increase a couple of days ago and is going to continue. For this afternoon, I think we can find a few pockets where we get some of those showers and storms. A lot's going to hinge on the sea breeze and those outflow boundaries, so when they start happening, we'll be able to track them then. But I certainly don't think everybody's going to get wet, and the longer we have to wait to get those showers, the hotter it is and the longer it stays that hot. I expect a day today a lot like we had yesterday. I'm hoping we get a few more showers and soon. Now, the tropics are awake. There's not a lot going on just yet, but we've got this tropical moisture that's moving off the peninsula. We've got some more tropical moisture down towards the Yucatan. So we've got a couple of areas that we're keeping our eyes on. This one near the Yucatan might have a little better chance for some sort of development over the next week, up to about a 40% chance as it works its way into the Bay of Campeche. We'll watch, we'll see if anything ever becomes of this. That energy coming off the Florida Peninsula, less likely to develop, but has a small chance as it moves into the Atlantic to take some sort of tropical shape. So we've got things we're keeping our eyes on. Nothing that looks like it's going to be a big player in our forecast anytime soon. We'll watch and see if anything changes. On the Gulf today, northeast winds that end up turning more southwest, 5 to 15, and seas 1 to 3 feet. Let's go 70s. Warm and muggy this morning, quickly turning into 90s, likely into the upper 90s. I'll put the rain chances 30–40% again. We'll call it partly cloudy, hot, humid. Tonight, more muggy. Any showers that fire up fizzle out, and we'll do it all over again tomorrow and Saturday. And now it feels like Sunday and Monday too, with the limited rain chances and the long duration hot and humid. That's a lot of hot for the next few days. Showers are the key. We count on them to calm that heat down. When we don't get them, when we don't expect them, it's long hours and high temperatures.